My father was this crazy rocket scientist, and he was also diabetic. A couple of years ago, we had him over for the holidays. And my wife had prepared these gluten-free, dairy-free, egg-free waffles, quite a magic. And I was like, no, Dad, those are carbs. He was, do you want me to die sad because I didn't eat my waffles? So it was too late. He had already chosen to eat those waffles. A month later, we're at the hospital. Papa, I love you. And don't worry, you'll be fine. He wasn't fine. That night, he passed away. The irony of it all is that we have started Suggestic to help people lead healthier, happier, and longer lives. We all know that eating the right food can help prevent, control, and even reverse diabetes, heart disease, Alzheimer's, and cancer. But we need to help people know how to choose their food. At Suggestic, we do two things. We meet people where they are, their health, their well-being, and we move them to where they want to be. What are their goals and the results they want to achieve? And unlike every single other company out there that gets you to count calories or memorize ingredients of memorized ingredients, we give you precise directions of what you can eat at a restaurant, at the grocery store, or at home, to make it super easy to find exactly what you need to eat. So we start with all types of programs, diets, that already have embedded the wisdom of centuries in many cases of what is good to eat, and we combine that with the latest science of microbiome or blood tests. And on top of all that, we have partnered with 25 top best-selling authors like Dr. Hyman, Dr. Kellyanne, J.J. Virgin, and Dr. Davis to actually deliver these personalized health journeys where we give everyone what they need. Now, Suggestic, basically the app itself, gives you very easy to find activities that you can go through, videos of your favorite author and the premium programs. We have over 1.7 million recipes that we have scored. You can see scores for every one of them, and these are personalized scores. You can send this to your shopping cart for later purchase. And most importantly, we have all the restaurants nearby, and we can give you exactly what you can eat at the restaurant. Our artificial intelligence is generating the list of ingredients and nutrients behind each of these. And if you were with my father at his favorite cheesecake factory, and he was already sitting there with the menu in his hand, by next year we will have the ability to actually show you those same scores directly there on top of the menu and let you know exactly what it is you can eat by just clicking before you make a choice. So Suggestic is actually in the process of building all this technology so that we can choose exactly what to eat everywhere and in the easiest and most convenient way possible. So here's what I want you to do. You can send a text Suggestic to 345345, and I'll give you 2 free subscriptions for your loved ones in the purchase of 1. It is too late for my father, but we're in time to help everyone else, billions of people, lead healthier, happier, and longer lives.
Thank you.